Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. In this lesson we'll be drawing Deadpool from Avengers Doomsday. So let's start. I'm going to be drawing with the Sharpie fine point marker, but you can use a pencil if you like. Now let's start in the center of the page and draw two circles for the eyes. I'm going to start with the one on the left from the very top, go all the way around toward the bottom, and then back up. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Now I want to move to the center and add a bump for the nose. So we're going to start on the left side, curve this down and up, move up and draw a short curve going up and then down. Let's go to the outside of the eyes. We're going to step out and draw the lower half of the head. So starting on the left side, come down, go across the chin, and then up towards the right side. Let's go back to the left side and draw the top of the head. We're going to bump this out, bend this up, and then in towards the center of our page. Now let's draw the tip of the hood. Starting over on the left, we're going to bend this out and then up. Dip this down, go across the right side, and then we'll bend that in. Now we're going to go back and add that trim around the eyes. Leaving a gap in the center, let's add 1 point on the left and 1 on the right. Now from here we're going to bend this up and then out. Same thing on the right side. Now I'm going to draw a straight angled line going up and then out toward the top left and then the right side. Let's curve this around the eye, in between the eye and the head, and bend that in, and we'll curve that up and then in toward the inside point. Let's go back up to the top point. We're going to add a trim going out and then up on both sides. Go to the bottom, curve this down and then in towards the jaw. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw in the collar. We're going to start on the left side, bend this down and then up. Let's go to the side, we're going to curve the body, going out and then down toward the left hip. Go to the right side, go out and then down towards the right hip. Now let's connect the hips with the curve for the belt, coming down and then up. Step up and draw that again across the top of the belt. Let's go to the center and add a circle. Let's add some more detail to the buckle. We're going to start with 2 straight lines coming down the middle. Curve the left and right side. Then we'll add the little eyes along the inside and the center. And then we'll fill the buckle in black. Now we're going to go to the top right side of the collar. We're going to add that strap coming down and then out toward the left hip. Step down and draw that again. Let's add some more detail inside the body. From the top, we're going to step down. Angle this down and in, come straight down. Now on the left side, we go out, down in behind the strap, and then down towards the belt. Let's go to the right side and do the same thing. Now we're going to go back to the collar, draw a straight line coming down towards the buckle. From the buckle, step down, let's add a curve, going up and then down. And we'll leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, and bend the leg going out and down toward the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And now we want to curve the bottom of the feet. So we're going to start with the left one, coming down and then up towards the outside of the foot. Let's go back to the left side, curve the foot, going up and bend this down, aiming towards the heel. And we'll curl that up towards the inside of the leg. Now we're going to go back up to the hip and draw on the outside of the leg. And bend this out and then down on top of the feet. Let's add a fixed sole across the bottom of the feet, just following that same curve from toe to heel and heel to toe. Let's add a strap across the top of the legs, bend this down and in, continue up on the right, step down and draw that again. And then we'll add a pouch along the outside of the leg. We'll go out, down, and then back in. Now we're going to go back to the bottom of the belt. We want to continue this line, curve this out and then down, across the side of the leg, angle this up and then out. Let's add a pouch on the hips, going out, down, and then in. Now I'm going to add some more detail to the foot. Starting from the outside, we're going to add a toe cap, coming in and then down towards the bottom. Then from here, bend this out and then up towards the ankle. Now let's go back up to the top and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway between the bottom of the head and the belt. So starting right here, bend this around the pouch and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a half circle for the thumb, and then bend this up and then in towards the wrist. Now I want to add 3 fingers on either side, starting from the bottom of the thumb, coming down and then up, step down, add the second finger, and then the third finger, we're going to bend this out, up, and then in underneath the head. Now we're going to go back and separate the top of each finger with a curve coming in toward the thumb. Let's go up to the top of the thumb, and go up and then out. Step up and draw that again. Now we're going to add a trim across the top of the shoulders. From the top of the body, step down, bend this up and then out. Come down towards the inside of the arm and draw that same curve. Now to place the handle of 2 swords in behind the body from the top of the arms, we're going to angle this up and out. Flatten off the end, and then bring that back in. And we're just going to cap off the top. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Deadpool from Avengers Doomsday. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.